This is my welding skid. It's a product made by a field welder for a field welder. And I call it a welder's welding skid because if you're a field welder, this is an excellent product for you because it allows you to be more safe, organized, and more portable. You know, you can be able to take this skid into different locations. You can get it off your personal vehicle. You can put it on job sites. You can be able to take it to tight spots where you couldn't get your truck in there, where you could take it off with a forklift or a crane or a small crane or whatever you use, or some type of boom lift. You know what I mean? There's many ways to get this to where you need it. And also, it helps you get your job done faster. It helps you start faster, and it helps you wrap up faster. So it's a situation where I was needing more tools and equipment to stay organized when I was doing my independent welding. So I created the skid to help myself personally. And as I was going to the welding supply stores and I'm picking up bottles and picking up gear and buying rods, and those guys were seeing my skids, and most of them are, you know, a lot of them are journeymen, or some of them are retired, or some of them are new to the game, but still they was respecting how easy it was for them to remove the bottles out of my truck, to get the welder off, to work on the welder when they need to get the oil changed or whatever I was doing to it. It was easy. And they asked me personally, they was like, Joe, where did you get this from? I said, man, I built this myself. They was like, really? And it's like, man, you need to figure something out, man. You got yourself something, because some of these guys, I be about to get in the back of their truck. I'm almost hurting myself, man. I'm getting old now. I can't be rolling around bottles all the time. It's hard to, you know, get things around. And I was thinking, like, once I looked online, honestly, some of the skids that I seen at a small amount, like just a basic skid from a big company, was around 25 to $3,000. So I was like, man, I can't afford that. In the average field welder just getting started, or a company, you don't want to spend 2,500 to $5,000 on a welder, and then you got to spend the same thing on a skid. You at least want to get it for 500 to 1,000. You know what I mean? Maybe two at max, depends on what you're doing. And you say, hey, yeah, I'm willing to spend this because I need this on this. You know what I mean? But I designed the skid to help myself, and just so happened it's starting to help a need of others, and not just other field welders, but shop welders, millwrights, iron workers, anyone that use welding, field welding, stick welding on their job sites. It just helps you stay organized, and it's not big and bulky. It's not too much. It don't take up a lot of space, but it gives you what you need to get the job done, and that's what we're all about, right? Getting the job done. You know, showing up. I like to say I like to show up and show out. You know what I mean? I don't like to brag. I'm just gonna show up and show out. And if I got the equipment and everything is lined out, there's no reason I can't show up and show out. So I designed this for myself as an independent field welder. But this product is for any welder coming out of school, something you can't afford, something you can buy your used welder and get you a skid and set your thing up and start getting money. Because believe this or not, as long as you start looking professional, because in this day and age it's all about the look. So make sure you look good when you pull up and you got yourself organized, and make people even feel that, okay, I can trust him on a job site. He's OSHA trained. He got everything together. It seems like, you know, he know what he's doing. So it's just going to help you even get a bigger foot in the game as being independent.